Hey everybody, welcome back to Brightford Acres. It's me, Taylor, and today you're joining me at the farm. Today is August 8th, and it's been a few weeks since I've been at the farm. So as you can see, everything is super big, and so are the weeds. Last time I was here, I harvested some garlic, and now it's time to harvest some corn. The tomato plants that we have gotten so big that we're actually using this new raised bed stock tank that I got as support for it. Today, joining me, I have my dog Harper. This is my dog Harper. She loves the farm, so she's excited to be here. Quite a chilly day today. There's lots of wind, upper 60s, and it's like the coolest it's been all summer. Makes me kind of sad because like fall is right around the corner, but it also makes me kind of happy because there's lots of stuff to harvest today, including some peppers. So let's get right into it. Oh wow, interesting. Okay, let's this oops. Or no, Harper. Hey, don't eat it. Okay, corn cob. Harper's gonna eat it if I don't put it down. There's one. The hair-like tassels that come from the corn are actually called silk. When the silk has turned brown and kind of crispy, it's time to harvest the corn. Got another one. The corn you know and love today didn't always look this way. 10,000 years ago in Mexico, it all started with a plant called teosinte. This grassy plant has kernel-like seeds that fed the livestock of ancient Mesoamerica. Ancient farmers used selective breeding to grow plants that were sweeter, larger, and had more kernels. Thousands of years later, and through several large-scale human migrations, we have the starchy, sweet vegetable that we know and love today. Got some absolutely gigantic peppers right here. Oh, I can't get it off. There we go. Look at that! Wow! That is amazing. In other garden news, we do have apples. They are just so heavy that our tree is like bending in half. Okay, this is my harvest, everybody. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 corn cobs, 5 banana peppers. I believe these are banana peppers. That's a pretty good harvest. It's super, super windy out. I wanted to show you guys something really interesting that I saw when I was harvesting my corn. So this is a regular ear of corn. However, it's not regular because it has quadruplets attached to it. Oh wait, no, quintuplets attached to it. And I tried to do some research and I couldn't figure out why this happened. I'm guessing it's just some kind of like genetic mutation, but those are called baby corn and they're totally edible. Another fun addition to our farm is actually this cute little shed. My parents fixed up houses and this shed was at the most recent house that we're fixing up and it didn't really like look good there anymore, so we took it here and now we have extra storage. Hey everybody, it's the next day and you're joining me at my house. Today we are going to shuck the corn and check to see if it's nice and big. Let's do it. Ooh, this one looks nice. Harper, stop! That's not food! haven't showed you guys what my home gardens looked like in a while, so I thought I would do a little bit of an update. What's super cool is that I actually still have strawberries growing, and it's August 9th right now, like I said. I believe that this stuff is cabbage, but it hasn't grown. Ooh! Are you kidding me? Did you see that? It hasn't grown a cabbage head yet. I have lots of flowers in here, mostly taken over by marigolds and some wildflowers that have bloomed and gone to seed. There's like a little tiny lavender plant in there, and then also my blackberry bush always seems to get taken over by these gigantic marigolds that I've planted. In here we have some herbs. These herbs haven't grown. It looks like maybe that one is starting to grow, but over here we have some nice herbs growing. And then in this one we have basil and tomatoes, and then we had cabbage, but I bet that bunny ate them all. Then we have some lettuce right there, some more tomatoes. Tori planted some peppers in buckets. And then here are our tomatoes, which look absolutely crazy. They're super crazy, really. Like, they're just taken over. Then we actually have some that are starting to ripen. Some ripened tomatoes in there. And then here is our cucumber trellis, which is doing so good so far. Really starting to take off and actually go around, which is so cool to see. This is lobelia. I just grew it in a nice little pot here. And then these are cosmos. And then over here I have peppers. These are jalapeno peppers. And then I have more basil. And a few days ago, we actually harvested all of the potatoes that I had growing in this large bucket. Thank you guys again for tuning in to Brightford Acres, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Oh, it's so windy, no!